Let me show you several different things that you can do on your iPhone 17 if it's stuck in this SOS mode. So your network is not working, maybe you can't call, and when you maybe try to make a call, it simply says SOS only, so yeah, no network available. So the first thing what I can suggest you do is simply place your phone in airplane mode for maybe a few minutes, and that usually actually resets basically these things. So again, leave it in airplane mode and simply literally basically wait maybe like 4 or 5 minutes and then simply take it out of the airplane mode. So that's the first thing I would do. Also inside the settings, so if we go on the general settings over here, the next thing I can suggest you do is, okay, so reset over here, and you see you have this option over here, reset network settings. So again, it will clear all the cache for the network settings and also completely reset them. So make sure to also do this as a second. The next what I can suggest you do is if you have basically the SIM card model, so if you are outside of the United States, you can literally simply take out your SIM card and either wait for maybe again like 5 minutes with the SIM card out, or literally try to insert the SIM card in another phone and see if basically your network maybe has some problems basically. So at least over here where I live, basically the network simply like disappears often for like half an hour sometimes, and yeah, so I have no idea why. My network isn't the best over here. So you see, literally you insert it in other phone if you can borrow someone and simply check if the SIM card is even working, and that also might it might not be actually the problem with your phone, maybe only the network problem. And then finally, also what I suggest you do is do a force restart on this phone. So essentially, when you're doing this, this phone again will reset all the network adapters, clear cache, and also attempt to see if anything wrong with it and try to heal itself essentially. So the way we do it, we simply press volume up followed by volume down and keep holding the power button. So you see, no matter what the state is of the phone, so up, down, and basically keep holding the power button. It takes maybe like 10 seconds to shut off, and we are going to keep holding till we see the Apple logo. Okay, keep holding. Okay, and once you see the Apple logo, we can obviously release. And again, so during this process, again, it's doing some kind of housekeeping, checking if everything is okay, resetting all the adapters. That also often probably revives these things. And really, if none of this work, then I suggest you simply contact your network operator. Again, maybe literally there's something wrong with the SIM card on their end, their network, and again, it's not your phone's fault. Anyway, good luck.